When I went to college, I've done woodwork and I knew I loved it. Because previously I was working as a chef and it was just nice coming back into woodwork.
It's a bit of an honour to actually mentor somebody, and to do it for somebody like yourself who's changing career.
During my apprenticeship, I've just loved every bit of it. Every single day I'm still learning, even outside of the ercol here. It's just nice to know I can go home, do a bit of DIY. So when I applied for the apprenticeship, I always thought it was for teenagers. And it's nice to know that someone above the age of 20 can still apply for apprenticeship and still get the job.
To change career is a difficult thing, and to be able there to support you and mentor you and see you through that process, it's quite an honour.
Earlier this year, I found out I was going to be a dad. These are my baby scan photos. They're probably one of the most important things to me. It was really scary. I remember when we had the interview, and I'm pretty sure I told you this was one of the main reasons I went for this apprenticeship.
I'm just glad we were able to give you that opportunity and that security. You know, it's an absolute pleasure to do that. And you never know, in a few years' time, maybe we'll be able to give your young daughter an apprenticeship as well.
These are my calipers. First day I was here, you gave me these. These just mean so much to me. I use them every single day. When I cut a bit on the CNC, say for example it's 20 mil, it's just a lovely bit of equipment.
So after I'd done the apprenticeship, I went on to continue my education with ercols. And this is a training manual that I wrote. So I took everything that I'd learned on the apprenticeship and I put it all into this manual. So I had a record of it and I could take it and use it and refer back to it going forward. Even today, when we've got all the apprentices up with us and we're putting you through your apprenticeship, it's really this that I refer back to.
What would you say is the best thing you taught anyone?
Probably to have the belief in themselves to try. You might not know, but we will let you know. We will teach you how to do that thing. We can guide you with a safety net in learning yourself and experimenting and failing sometimes by getting things wrong. You're going to learn a lot more, and you're going to grow in confidence by doing it as well. So when I got a job at ercols, my dad gave me this key ring so I could have a key to the front door. And it's a St Christopher, which is really the patron saint of travellers. And I've kept it all these years as a reminder of him, but also as a reminder of the journey that I've taken through ercol. Then a few years later, my son gave me this key ring. It says the key to being a top dad. And really, that's just where you are with the birth of your child. It's the same with you as well. You know, I think of you as a son the same way as my actual son. You're at the same journey as I was when I got these key rings. And I want you to be able to continue that journey in the industry, you know, and hopefully make a career and a life out of it the same way as I did. We're finding that the apprentices really are a positive thing for the business. Taking on apprenticeships can seem a bit daunting, especially when we first started, but there are lots of resources you can call upon, and there are a lot of people there that can support you.
You've just been the best mentor, and I really appreciate that.
It's been wonderful hearing about your life, your story, the reason why you've come over to us, and how your life has transformed. To think that we've been able to be a part of that is fantastic. So thank you for sharing that with me. It's been an absolute honour, mate.